Good day, samahan nyo kaming bumiyahe papunta sa Buda.
We're in the Kalinan area. Ayan, Kalinan area is still part of Davao City. Sapa nila ni Hubas na daghanan ng labao. We're here in Marilog District.
Itong lugar na ito na binabaybay namin, ito na ang tinatawag na Marahan. Itong daanan na may dalawang parang bundok sa gilid ay mahaba siya. Marami ding nagpapapicture dito. At dahil ilang beses na rin kaming nakaraan dito, hinihintay lang namin na badaanan ang kanilang landmark na malaking eagle, and then saka na kami mag-GPS.
Oh, buko pa eh. Jukens. Naabot namin, and then forward pal now.
Straight 230 meters.
We're here, the Buda. I love Davao City. Oh.
Dito naman, malapit lang pala siya, sa unahan lang pala talaga siya ng eagle. And then pagdating namin dito, akala namin is 200 meters pa, or hindi lang naman napansin. Nandito na pala kami sa harap mismo ng kanilang barangay hall. And then on the left, liliko lang kami, and then sabi is ano lang daw, 10 minutes ride lang daw. Yun pala ay yun ang pagkalayo-layo.
I love.
Paano ba? Pa-right bata or pa-left ba ang sulan nun?
Vice City. Barangay hall na ni Hal.
Parang barangay hall muna na.
We're here in the Baganihan, Barangay Baganihan. And then 10 minutes from here we'll arrive in our destination. We're looking for the Remedios and Beverly Hills. Look at the soil. Oh, murag ano siya, clay soil siya, no? Ano siguro ni uphill. We're looking for the Remedios Resort.
Eto na yung itsura, sobrang ganda ng view. Kahit nasa sasakyan ka lang, malayo-layo yung binaybay namin papunta sa may Remedios. Dito ay walang data. So ang ginawa namin para mabaybay namin at matuntun is nagtanong kami sa mga locals. Good thing is alam nila yung pangalan ng mga resort at natuntun naman namin.
After 2 hours, we're still looking for the Remedios House and Resort. You guys tired? Juhens Mountain View.
At last, after more than 2 hours, narating na rin namin itong Remedios Resort. Ito pala yung uphill na sinasabi nila sa kanilang instruction. And then, ang aming binasihan lang is yung mga nakapalibot na mga tulugan kasi wala pa silang pangalan na nakadisplay talaga sa labas.
Kano mo, Christian mo ang kanan.
Oh, Christian.
Layo-layo po diri. Sir no?
Gikan sa highway?
Gikan, oh. Kaya ang style.
Daghan po mo diri bisita, sir.
Hi guys! Good morning! We arrived here in our staycation for a night. This is in Buda. This is a Remedios Resort here in Buda. Buda is a short name of Bukidnon and Davao City. This is the surrounding area. The wind now is starting to get cold. This is almost 2 p.m. This is our place, and that's the swimming pool area. You can bring your food there. Starting to get cold. This is the surrounding area. Look at that. It's hot, but the wind is cold at the same time. So this will be our place. Hi. Okay, let's get inside. Hi guys.
Welcome to our house of the night.
Yay! We can do karaoke here. We just arrived. We started our trip from Davao around 12 noon. This is the dining area. This is the kitchen. Here they have this rice cooker, water. We can cook as well. It's open kitchen area. You can do barbecue as well. And here you go. this is what it looks like here in the kitchen area. So this is the toilet. Nice and clean toilet. Yes. Let me see this one. Oh, amenity kit. Nice. They have this amenity kit.
Let me get the lollipop.
Can get the lollipop. And this is the room here. This is the first room here in the ground floor area. Okay, let's go up.
Okay.
This is like the living area, and then Dana and Clyde. Yes.
Up. Auntie.
Ati, wait for me. Okay. Okay, let me. Okay. Okay. Wow. This is the second floor area. It's nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Not even.
nice. There's no air condition in this one. This is the view from the second floor. So nice. So they don't have any air condition in here because, you know, Buddha is like a little Baguio, so it will get cold later. And then they have this chair or a couch. They have how many beds? This is double. 2 person is enough in here. And then 2 on that side, and then 2 on that side. Upstairs, it's allowed 8. Do you like it here, Bam Bam? Do you like here? Baby sleep now? Ah, baby and Natty will sleep now?
Yeah.
I bet we have to watch and sing a song first. You want to sing a song? Okay, let's go sing a song.
May pabukas pinto for today's video. Ito ang makikita mo paglabas mo dito sa villa. Habang nasa veranda ka, makikita mo ang mga bulubundukin na nandito sa Buddha. Napaka-relaxing ng tanawin habang malamig ang hangin. Syempre, at dahil kararating lang namin, pahinga muna habang si Bembem ay tuwang-tuwa sa kanyang lollipop. Ito namang dalawa ay may pabudots. Ayan.
Wow! It's too windy. It's cold.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Wait, it's starting to get foggy.
No, not yet. But it's cold, right?
Yeah.
There's a hammock downstairs. You want to see it?
Sinabihan ko itong dalawang bagets na mayroon niyang hammock dito sa ibaba ng veranda. Kaya ayan, hinahanap nila kung nasaan nga ba ito at kanila namang itry. Ayan, nakasampa na si Dana dito sa may hammock. Actually, tinulungan ko siya. At sinabihan ko naman si Kuya Carl kung kaya niyang sumampa sa hammock mag-isa. Tingnan niyo kung ano niyang gagawin niya, paano siya sumampa dyan sa may hammock.
Not like that. You have to pull it first before you sit down. Hi guys, how was your stay so far?
Good.
Is the wind cold or not?
The wind is cold.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
The fogginess.
Not yet. Around afternoon, I guess. What's that? Dance? Hi, you want Tita to dance?
No, I don't wanna blow up on the phone. Baby, we should never sleep alone. This isn't how we used to speak, so
Hi.
At dahil ako nga ay sintonado, matagal na namin itong alam na magkakapatid, kaya hindi talaga ako nakanta at bagay. Nakakahiya, nakakaawa ang mga neighbors. Kaya ayan, tuwang-tuwa si sister. Talagang inulit-ulit niya.
no, I don't wanna blow up on the phone. Baby,
See?
Dana want swim?
Yeah, baby wants him.
Okay. We tell Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Hey, sit down. Let's go swim.
You want to go swimming?
At dahil si Clay at Dana ay mahilig sa swimming, ayan, turo sila ng turo na mag-swimming ng araw sila. Kaso nga lang is mainit pa ng mga oras na yan, kaya hanggang tingin lang muna sila.
What do you want?
I want swimming pool.
You want to swim? Okay, wait a little bit.
I want! Yay!
Yay!
No. We have to go swim. Baby has to go swim.
You want to go swim?
I have to go swim.
At dahil nga itong dalawang bagets ay atat na sa pool, ayan, pinababa ko at sa kanilang kagustuhan ay bumalik at kukuha daw ng pandigo. Ayan, takbo. Gagala muna tayo dito sa may taas.
Let's move around. I'm gonna check what's in here. What's that? It's a private property. I don't know. This is up area over here. Yeah, nothing is in here, just this one. That's our room. That's our house for tonight. And then that's the other part of this resort.
Ganito ang makikita mo sa buong paligid. Puros lang mga bulubundukin. At sa mga oras na to, papahapon na ito, malamig na ang simoy ng hangin at saka maririnig mo na yung mga huni ng insekto at saka ng ibon. Sobrang relaxing niya.
So we're here, Dana. That's the pool area. Here we're going for a swim. Even though it's so cold at this time. It's starting to get really cold this time. It's only, I think it's 5 p.m. There you are. Time check. It's 5 p.m. This is how it looks like in this area. We're actually here at the swimming pool area. And then they have this area here as well. You can eat, you can bring your food when you're in this side. I'm supposed to show you that side, but my nephew is naked. So you can stay here. There are tables in here. You can bring your food. You can put it in here. You can bring your foods and drinks and beverages. You can put it here. You can drink, you can eat. You're free to do so. Here you are. That's one of the Remedios cottages as well. It's a bungalow style, but look at that. You also have this bonfire area in this side. And that's how it looks like. That's where we stay. This is the pool on this area. This is a makeshift bridge and we're going to the swimming pool area. It's almost 6 p.m. The wind is cold. This is like a place where you can bring your food as well. You can bring your food. They have water in here as well. Chairs, tables. There's no child area in the pool, so he can go in and have fun. So that's it. I think we have to head home after a few minutes. Mini chapel in here. I don't know, it's a relax station. Then we're going up. Just a few steps.
Sleep alone. This isn't how we used to speak. So
it's 8 p.m. and this is how it looks like in here. We're going to sleep now. 9 p.m. We have to sleep. This is our room upstairs. This is the view from our room. It's so cold. This is the view. We have one bed each.
It's like the windows are switched.
Morning, guys. It's so cold. It's not even 5:30 yet. Time check. It's 6 in the morning. It's actually past 6 in the morning. This is our view, and look at the sunrise. It's starting to cover up the mountain tops. Here you go. It really looks nice in here. It's still too cold. This is already cold than Davao City itself. Yay. I can hear people early walking around this area. And we have a courtesy breakfast. We also have this coffee. They have this free coffee, Milo. We have the corned beef, fried egg, hot dog, and rice. Breakfast. Morning. How was your breakfast?
We're eating hot dog and egg and corned beef.
Yes.
No, I don't wanna blow up on the phone. Baby, we should never sleep alone. This isn't how we used to speak, so cold. Remember when
That's the swimming pool area. It's 9 in the morning. This cabin is only good for 2 person. And here you go. Grabe ba kainit? It's only 9:30. It's really hot already. The wind is cold. The wind is cold, but it's scorching hot here.
Pasada alas 11:30 na kami ng umaga nag-check out. Ayan, kung makikita nyo ang ganda ng kanilang tanawin. Dito pa lang sa daanan ay ang ganda na ng kanilang tanawin. Sulit na sulit ang biyahe.
We go. Welcome to Davao City. Going back to Davao City. Yay! We're done. We're here in Campfire Pizza Company. In Bukid, no, not Bukid, in Buda.
Ganito pa lang itsura sa loob ng Campfire Pizza. Alfresco dining siya. Okay naman na siya sa halaga ng pizza na in-order namin, which is 580 ang isa. Ito naman sa katapat nila, parang iisang kumpanya lang ito. Ito na ang pizza na in-order namin. Pasok naman sa mga bata ang lasa nitong kanilang salami pizza. At dito na nagtatapos ang video na to. Salamat sa panonood. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye!